In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Forex pairs on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, look to the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the watch list panel. The watch list panel is the main area you will use to search for available Forex pairs. At the top of the watch list, you will see a search field. Click inside that field to begin your search. Then type the name or symbol of the Forex pair you want to find. For example, you can enter URUSD, GBPUSD, OUSD JPY. Be sure to type the symbol clearly so the platform can return the correct result. After entering the pair, wait a moment for the matching Forex pairs to appear. The platform will display relevant results based on what you typed into the search field. Once the results appear, review the list carefully and locate the exact Forex pair you want to use. When you find the correct pair, click on it to select it from the search results. After selecting it, double-click the Forex pair to open its chart. This will bring up the chart for that currency pair, so you can begin reviewing its price movement and market activity. Once the chart opens, take a moment to review the information on the screen. You should be able to see the live bid and ask prices along with the chart itself. This helps confirm that you have opened the correct Forex pair and that the market data is loading properly. If you want to find more Forex pairs, return to the search field in the watch list panel and repeat the same process. Type another symbol, wait for the matching results, and then select the pair you want to open. You can do this as many times as needed to explore different Forex instruments inside the platform. As a final check, make sure you can successfully search for a Forex pair, select it from the watch list, and open its chart without any issues. If the chart appears and the live bid and ask prices are visible, that means the process worked correctly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.